just past 5 o'clock and we're on holiday now for 2 weeks. I have mentioned over the last couple of weeks that I've got a big project coming up, and this is it. We're currently travelling down to Wigan, where we're going to stay the night, and then tomorrow we're heading to Bristol. We have 3 nights in Bristol, and then we're heading out into Devon and Cornwall, and I'll tell you more about that tomorrow. Well, sadly we've had to put the roof up. It's absolutely chucking it down at the moment, and it is extremely windy. But we've left the A66 now, and we're now on the road to Kirby Stephen. There's a stoat just run across the road in front of us. Really? Yeah, really. I didn't just say that for the camera. There really was a stoat. At least I hope it was a stoat.
Could be a rat.
Well, that's the point. It's not a stoat, it's a rat. Right, that's us all checked in and sorted out. Time to go and find something to eat, I think. So that's about it for the day. Got a glass of rum now, and then I think we'll turn in for the night, maybe do a little bit of editing, and that's about it. Tomorrow we have a 3.5-hour trip down to Bristol, and I think we're going to stop somewhere on the way, maybe Gloucester. I quite fancy Gloucester Cathedral, Worcester perhaps, I don't know yet, we'll see. We'll let you know tomorrow. See you later.